Dear students, today we will start with constructions exercise 11.2 and you will learn how to draw tangents to a given circle. So children, we will start with exercise 11.2 and here is question number 1. And in this question you have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter and exterior point should be 10 centimeter away from the center, and from that point P you have to draw the tangent to the circle. So first of all we will take compass, we will open its radius equal to 6 centimeter, and just measure that the radius should be 6 centimeter. Now start making the circle of radius 6 centimeter. Since it's not coming on the surface, children, I will drag it a little lower so that the circle should remain there on the surface, and this way we are able to construct a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Then he is saying that take a point P 10 centimeter away from the center. So children, lift the scale and then 10 centimeter away from the center we will take a point P here and draw a line. Now again this is point P. Now from this point P we will draw perpendicular bisector of this line OP. So we will again take compass, and to draw the perpendicular bisector we have to open the compass more than half of the distance OP, half of OP, more than half of OP, lock it, and now the radius should not change. And then you will first draw an arc here, and then you will draw an arc down the line segment. So you will draw the arc here on the line segment, below the line segment. Then with the same radius you have to keep the compass now on P, and with the same radius now you will put another arc intersecting the previous arc. So here, and the arc down the line segment like this. Then children, you will lift scale and try to join these 2 points where the arcs have cut each other. So the construction should be accurate, children. So put the scale properly, and then Draw the line. Start drawing the line. Like this. Lift the scale. Now you will see that this line and OP, they are intersecting each other at a point, say M here. Now you will again take your compass, put it on M, take the radius equal to MP, and draw another circle. This circle and the previous circle, the original circle, they will meet each other at 2 points. These 2 points are A and B. Now you will again lift the scale or draw a straight line to join PA PA and PB. Join PA and PB. Better to do it using scale. You should be very accurate, otherwise your construction will go wrong. And draw the line segment like this. And then again lift your scale and join the point PB from here. This is the construction of two tangents from the exterior point P. Now you need to understand what is the how we can say that this line is definitely a tangent to the circle, children. So children, let us join this line AB, AO, and from here let's join the line OB. Now children, consider this red circle, and in this red circle this OP is the diameter, and this angle is the angle in semicircle, and you all know that the angle in semicircle is always of 90 degree. So that means this angle is definitely of 90 degree. But for this bigger circle, blue circle, OA is the radius, and if a line is making a 90-degree angle with the radius and is touching the circle, then that line is definitely a tangent to the circle. Same here, this is the diameter, so therefore this angle is the angle in semicircle for the red circle, and therefore this angle is equal to 90 degree. But for the bigger circle, blue one, this OB is the radius, and it is making an angle of 90 degree with this line PB. So radius, if making an angle of 90 degree with any line, then that means that line is tangent to the circle. With this concept, I'll end this construction for today, children. Tomorrow we will start with one other construction of this exercise. Till then, bye bye. Keep practicing.